Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your Lexus IS250. Lowering your car can significantly improve its appearance, giving it a more aggressive and sporty stance. Beyond just looks, it can also enhance handling by lowering the center of gravity. We'll explore the most popular ways to achieve this, discussing both the benefits and potential considerations for your ride quality. Let's dive into the details of how you can achieve that perfect lowered look. Coilover suspension systems are a popular choice for lowering your Lexus IS250, offering significant advantages. They allow for precise adjustments to both ride height and damping, giving you control over your car's stance and handling characteristics. Many coilovers offer a drop range of 1 to 3 inches below stock. This adjustability means you can fine-tune your vehicle for a sportier feel and improved responsiveness. While some experienced dyers can install them, professional installation ensures proper setup and alignment for the best results. Another effective way to lower your Lexus IS250 is by installing lowering springs. These springs replace your factory ones, providing a noticeable drop, often between 0.8 and 1.4 inches. This is generally a more affordable option than coilovers. While they can work with OEM shocks, it's often recommended to pair them with new, compatible shocks to maintain ride quality and prevent premature wear on your original components. You'll typically experience a firmer ride, which many enthusiasts prefer for a sportier feel. After lowering your Lexus IS250, it's crucial to get a professional wheel alignment. Lowering changes your car's suspension geometry, which can lead to increased negative camber and toe out, causing premature and uneven tire wear if not corrected. Also, be sure to research your local vehicle modification laws. Some regions have specific regulations regarding minimum ground clearance, such as a 2-inch minimum in California. Staying informed helps you avoid potential fines. And hey, while you're upgrading your ride, why not upgrade your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.